Many people find it challenging to meditate. The idea of sitting still and looking inward feels such a daunting and complicated thing to do. What if I tell you there is a simple yet very powerful technique that you can use to reduce your stress and introduce deep relaxation into your body without this complicated skill and learning? This technique is called non-sleep deep rest, which is NSDR. This is a technique introduced by Dr. Huberman, one of my favorite neuroscientists on this planet. So during an NSDR session, you will be lying down in a relaxed position and listen to a trained guide where through a series of verbal cue and visualization, you will get into this progressive relaxation through your body and mind, and this give you a deep sense of relaxation, improve cognitive functions, memories, and enhance your overall well-being. There are a few different techniques under the umbrella of NSDR. For instance, Yoga Nidra, which is a practice that rooted in the ancient yogic tradition, and hypnosis. You can do self-hypnosis safely at home, meditation, of course, and last but not least, taking a nap. So different techniques have different benefits and improve different functions in your body and mind. And what I love the most among those techniques is Yoga Nidra. So in the next 10 minutes, I will guide you through a Yoga Nidra session, so you can do it during your lunch break to recharge your energy, or do it before sleep to help you get into sleep easily. If you're ready, let's do this. Find a position where you can lie down on your back. Could be on your bed, couch, or yoga mats. If you can, find a blanket to keep you warm for the session, and perhaps some pillow or cushion below your knees for support. When you're ready, find a comfortable position lying on your back. Arms resting gently at your sides, palms facing up. Use a few more seconds to adjust yourself. Make sure you're fully relaxed and feel comfortable. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress from your body. Let's do a few more deep breaths in from your nose. Breathe out through your mouth, slowly. Another one, breathe in through your nose. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to sink into the support beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being fully supported by the earth. Let go of any need to control your breath. Let it flow naturally. Now bring your awareness to your right hand. Feel the sensation of more warmth and relaxation spreading from your fingertip to the palms of your hand, then to the back of your hand, all the way up to your wrist. Allow your right hand to become heavy and relaxed, completely surrendering to gravity. Now shift your attention to your left hand. Notice any sensation present in your left hand. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading from your fingertip to the palm of your hand, then to the back of your hand, and all the way up to your wrist. Allow your left hand to soften and release any tension it may be holding. Now shift your attention to your right foot. Feel the sensation of relaxation spreading from your toes to the sole of your foot, to the top of your foot, and all the way up to your ankle. Let go of any tension in your right foot, allowing it to melt into the ground beneath you. Now shift your attention to your left foot. Notice any sensation present in your left foot. Feel the relaxation spreading from your toes to the sole of your foot, to the top of your foot, and all the way up to your ankle. Allow your left foot to become heavy and relaxed, sinking deeper into the earth with each breath. Now take a moment to scan your body from head to toe, noticing any area of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing that tension and allowing it to dissolve into the earth beneath you. Now feel your head is heavy. All the muscles on your face are relaxed. Loosen your jaw, your tongue, your eyes. Feel your neck and shoulder is loosened and falling deep, connecting to the floor. Feel the light and relaxation on your chest and ease of the breath, allowing oxygen filling up your whole body. Going down, feel the relaxation on your abdomen. Let go of any tensions. Let it rise and fall naturally as air coming and out. Feeling your shoulder, arms, and hands are fully relaxed, heavily falling on the earth. Feel your hips, your buttocks, your laps, and your calves are heavy and melting into the floor beneath you. Feel your feet so light and relaxed. And let go all of the tension and heaviness from your daily walk and exercise. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the sensation of air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and your belly. Allow yourself to become fully present in this very moment. And now I would like to invite you to set an intention for the rest of your day. For example, I am grounded, or I am relaxed. Just repeat this silently to yourself for 3 times. And when you're ready, you can put one hand on top of your heart. Take a moment to express gratitude for yourself for taking this time to nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Know that you can return to this state of deep relaxation anytime you need to recharge and rejuvenate. Now you can slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring gentle movement back into your body. And take your time as you slowly transition back to a seated position. Thank you for joining me in this guided yoga nidra practice. May you carry this sense of peace and relaxation with you throughout the rest of your day. I'm Ling, your wellness coach, and my goal is to help you prevent burnout and live a fulfilling and balanced life. Follow me for more content on mindfulness, relaxation technique, and personal growth. Until next time.